so as we were discussing for a long time now, for months, I have finally gotten a haircut and I have also got it highlighted, and it is much more visible in this sort of hairstyle as compared to the one that I have in the last video. So let's first quickly go through the haircut process, then I'm gonna show you how my hair looks exactly right now, and then we'll discuss some pros and cons of having such a haircut. Enjoy! So as I was going for sort of a delicate hairstyle this time, in my opinion, I went for the Tony & Guy salon, as this is one of the most heard of salons in Jaipur. The name of this awesome hairdresser is Vishal, and I'll put a link to his Instagram in the description in case anyone needs it for any reason. I told him I want my hair to be long in the front and short in the back with a gradual transition between the two. As for how short the back hair should be, it should be just enough for me to make a full bun. As for the front hair, it should be as long as possible, so I told him to just get rid of the split ends in the front. And along with that, I also told him to do his job as patiently as he could, because I don't want my hair to be ruined just because someone was in a hurry. And that's exactly what I did. So the whole process went very smoothly, and the transition is indeed gradual. And as soon as we were done with the haircut, now we went for the hair color or the hair highlights. And because I wanted a proper white or silver colored hair, or as the hairdresser told me, the ash gray color, it took a really long time to prep my hair for that, as we first need to remove the black color from the hair as much as possible before we attempt to apply the ash gray color. And it took around, I'd say, 4 to 5 hours for him to prep my hair for the color, and I really appreciate the effort, because by the time he was done with my hair, the entire salon had already been closed, and he could have easily told me to visit again tomorrow, but he didn't. But finally my hair was complete, and the entire process took around 6 hours to get completed, but the results were just as expected. I didn't really like the way he styled my hair with these waves, but he wanted some pictures for him and the salon accounts, so I just let him do whatever he wants with my hair. And that's about how it went. And here are some shots of how my hair looks right now in open state in a middle partition, because only in middle partition can we really notice the length of the front hair and the back hair, as well as the transition in between. And here are some shots of the golden highlight. Well, the highlight has now turned into a golden color when it was initially in an ash gray color or the silver color. I liked it a lot better. It looked a lot better in my opinion when it used to be silver, but the color just faded away, and there's nothing we could have done about that. The hairdresser did tell me that it is going to fade away after 2 or 3 washes or something like that, but it started fading away as soon as I left the salon. I didn't even wash my hair and it still began showing the golden color. But anyways, the only way to fix that is to recolor my hair like 3 times a month, so I'm not gonna do that. But here's how the highlight looks right now. You may not have noticed it in open hair or even in this hairstyle, but I have also got some highlighted hair on the neck area as well. As for this black portion above the highlight, I deliberately left the black portion there because I really didn't want to mess with the roots. I just wanted my hair to be colored. And I know it looks a little odd, a little off, but that's fine with me as long as I'm not damaging my hair. And do keep in mind, this haircut is still new for me, so I am still finding new things about this hairstyle, and it may be not as good as it seems at the first glance. I mean, there are definitely some flaws with this haircut, with this particular haircut, that I'm gonna share with you guys in a future video. So definitely stay subscribed for that. And also we've got the Alpha Army Discord server link in the description, in which I'd love to see you guys. And with that being said, I'll see you around, Alpha.